Okay, so here's construction 6. What we're being asked to do is divide a line segment into 3 equal segments. So we're going to start with our picture, as always. To make this really obvious, I'm going to make our line segment 9 centimeters long, so that we can see that when we divide it, we'll have segments of 3. So this is just to show how it's been done. And we're going to call it AB, because it's a line segment that starts and ends at a certain point. Okay, and our first step, we have to draw a ray from A at an acute angle to AB. So all that means is that we're drawing a line out of A that is that creates a smaller than 90-degree angle from B. So let's see, I think I'll go about there. Okay, that looks good. Step 2, using A as the center and any radius. So A is our center and any radius, draw an arc, cutting the ray at point P. So we've got a compass. We're just going to use any radius and draw an arc and call that point P. Using step 3, using point P as the center, do step 2 again. So now we have point P as our center. We're going to repeat the step. We're going to use the same radius, do another arc. We're going to call this one Q. And step 4, using point Q as the center, do step 2 again. So it's a bit repetitive, this one. So we're going to go back to Q and do another arc. I'm going to call this one OR. Now, join B to OR. So that's straightforward enough. Using our ruler, B to OR. Let me see if I can line these up. It should be good. There's B to OR. Okay. Now, finally, using a set square and ruler, draw perpendicular lines. Sorry, not perpendicular. I think I'm mixing up my words. Draw parallel lines. Draw parallel lines to B OR from points Q and OR. So we have to think back to our previous construction number 5, on how to do this. So we're going to turn the page sideways. I find the easiest. Line up our set square along here and our ruler along here, and that'll probably do the best. So remember, firm grip on this, and we're just going to push this up to point Q and draw a line through Q to AB, and then do it again all the way up to P and draw it through there. Okay, so now we should have this intersecting at equal points. So I'm going to call this point, let's call it N, and this one, call it O. Okay, so let's just test it out just to make sure that we're not gone wrong somewhere. So A to N is 3 centimeters, as you can see. N to O is also 3 centimeters, and O to B is also 3 centimeters. So what we've done there is we divided a line segment AB into 3 equal segments, 3 centimeters in each.